How to share Spotify playlist. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to share a Spotify playlist. First, make sure your Spotify is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log into your account. Then this kind of screen will pop up. This is main page of Spotify. Then click on your library and then click on the playlist you want to share. You'll find 3 dots on top. Click on 3 dots, then scroll all the way down till you find share. You can change the template as well. You can copy link or share it to your stories, Snapchat, Facebook, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, or click on more and you'll find more options. And that's how you share Spotify playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.